Hey everybody, this is Wilson giving you a market update for the week of June 1st. The cover shot features our newest listing on Olympic Drive in South San Francisco. If you haven't seen the videos that we've made for the progress videos and also the virtual tour, check it out on our YouTube channel or on social media. First is listed sales price and days on market. I know June is only 2 days new so far. However, with the 2 days of data, we're seeing an uptick from listed sales price. It's never dipped below 100%, very close to it last month altogether in May. However, based on foot traffic trends, appointment request trends, we're starting to see that the summer market is upon us. And with SIP and phases for California opening up, we believe that that's going to drive more traffic to real estate. People are seeing the importance of home as they spent so much time in their homes. Days on market was unfrozen about 2 weeks ago, so you should see the real days on market come out, at least from a data perspective, soon. Next, you'll see showing time stats. As you can see, there was a dip in mid-March, and ever since then, from April to May and now June, it's caught up to where your typical summer market is in terms of track showings for June. As you can see, it has recently crossed. Next is homes for sale versus sold. Last month, we saw an increase in inventory, about a little less than 100 homes, and a slight increase in number of sold. So it's a good sign. We're not seeing sales lag behind active available homes for sale. We will have to wait and see exactly where June ends in terms of number of available for sale versus number of them that sell. We do project that inventory will increase as the summer markets are upon us, and we are hopeful, fingers crossed, that the solds will catch up as well. So as people come out and want to make moves. Next is sales prices by month. Last month, as much as listed sales price was lower, at least trending lower, we saw an increase in total sales volume and sales price. And May 2020, in the last 12 months, was the highest average sales prices we've seen in San Mateo County in the last 12 months. So overall, good signs, and we're looking forward to seeing the June statistics. And last is interest rates. Most people in our area are going to use a 30-year fixed rate jumbo loan, and that is currently at an APR of 3.3%. If you have any specific questions or you want to see specific stats, please let us know, and hopefully this is helpful.